Welcome. It's that time of the week where you sit back and relax while we get you all the action from B-Town. Over the next half hour, we'll tell you what happened through the week that was in Bollywood this week. The 59th Filmfare Awards were recently held in Mumbai, which saw the glittering stars of B-Town in full attendance. We bring you all the details in our next story. The grandest award ceremony. Well, the 59th Filmfare Award took place recently, studded with a high dose of glitz and glamour. This ceremony saw the who's who of B-Town at the red carpet, turning the night into a fun-filled one. Well, the best part about such a ceremony is that you get to see actors from all the eras under one roof. And that's not all. The fashion quotient is high, with stars shining bright in their glittering outfits. Well, let's find out what some of our stars have to say about this fashion-filled event.
गोविंदा स्टाइल है।
गोविंदा स्टाइल?
या ये लुई विटॉन ने पेरिस से खास मुझे भेजा है आज रात के लिए। बहुत ही स्पेशल एडिशन है। चैपमैन ब्रदर्स करके एक आर्टिस्ट है, उनके साथ कोलैबोरेट करके लुई विटॉन ने ये सूट बनाया और कहा कि एक बहुत ही स्पेशल बंदे को स्पेशल नाइट पे पहनाएंगे, तो मेरे लिए भेज दिया।
आज का थीम है इनटू द फ्यूचर। सो आई थिंक हमारी जो सभ्यता है, जो हमारी ट्रेडिशनल साड़ी है, शायद मॉडर्न थिंकिंग इंटेलिजेंट वुमेन 10 साल में कुछ ऐसे पहनेंगी।
इसमें बहुत लेयर्स है, बहुत ज़्यादा एम्ब्रॉयडरी है, बहुत वेट है, बहुत कपड़ा है बट बहुत सुंदर भी है। there's actually a lovely skirt down here, and then there is a lehenga on top, and then there's a dupatta and a belt, and there's makeup.
We spotted Kundan, also known as Dhanush, who was present there in his humble avatar, and here he told us whether he likes a reward or an award.
Awards, I want the awards, I want the producer to get the rewards.
Ranveer Singh, who had a very special year, shared with us about what he felt about the ceremony.
हर बड़े कैटेगरी में मेरी फिल्म गोलियों की रासलीला रामलीला को नॉमिनेशन मिली है, मेरे लिए खुशी और गर्व की बात है। बेस्ट फिल्म, बेस्ट एक्टर, बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस, बेस्ट डायरेक्टर, बेस्ट म्यूजिक, लुटेरा को काफ़ी नॉमिनेशंस मिली हैं। होपफुली क्रिटिक्स अवार्ड जाएंगे सारे लुटेरा को, पॉपुलर अवार्ड्स जाएंगे सारे रामलीला को, और मेरा साल साकार हो जाएगा।
The lady in black dress on the red carpet was the one to watch out for. Well, we're talking about the host Priyanka Chopra, who looked super excited.
फर्स्ट टाइम मैं फिल्म पर होस्ट कर रही हूँ, काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ। इतने दिग्गजों ने किया है होस्ट मेरे से पहले, और रणबीर भी तो वेटरन हो गया अब। बट आई एम एक्साइटेड, एक नया तजुर्बा होगा, एंड परफॉर्म भी कर रही हूँ, तो एक्स्ट्रा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है।
We also spotted Huma Qureshi, who is now a part of Bollywood's Young Brigade. Let's find out what she had to say about the event.
मैं तो सिर्फ अटेंड करने आई हूँ और सबके लिए चेयर करने आई हूँ, बट हर साल वी रियली लुक फॉरवर्ड टू दीज अवार्ड्स, एंड फिल्म फेयर शायद थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा स्पेशल होता है क्योंकि हम बचपन से देखते आ रहे हैं, और यू नो जब मैं दिल्ली में थी एंड आई वाज नॉट एन एक्ट्रेस, हम तब से देखते आ रहे हैं, तो बहुत मज़ा आता है यहाँ पे आके।
And we also spotted singer Mohit Chauhan, who was there to vote and support young talents.
नया टैलेंट आता है और नए नए गीतों को पहचान मिलती है, नए नए आर्टिस्ट को, फिल्म डायरेक्टर्स को इनाम दिए जाते हैं।
And now, moving on to the diva who stole all the limelight as soon as she stepped on the red carpet. We'll be talking about none other than B-Town's reigning queen Deepika Padukone, who was dazzling in a golden outfit. While on the other side, Bollywood's famous donor Ayushmann Khurrana was spotted in a black dinner jacket, standing tall and handsome. And this is what he had to say.
इस बार मैं चीयर करने वाला हूँ बहुत सारा, बेस्ट सिंगर के लिए अरिजीत के लिए, और बेस्ट डेब्यूटान के लिए सुशांत और धनुष के लिए।
Nawazuddin Siddiqui, who was nominated for the Best Supporting Male category, told us as to how he felt about his nomination.
मुझे तो बहुत उम्मीदें हैं, अभी देखते हैं क्या होता है, क्योंकि जो कंटेंडर हैं जो वो भी बहुत स्ट्रांग हैं।
And while that was all the fun from the red carpet, it was the real winners who were all smiles after winning the Black Lady. Let's take a look. The Best Film Award was bagged by Bhag Milkha Bhag. The Best Director Award went to Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra.
आज का फंक्शन टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया आइडिया फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड और हमारी फिल्म को काफ़ी अवार्ड मिले। आज बेस्ट फिल्म भी मिला, बेस्ट एक्टर भी मिला, बेस्ट डायरेक्टर भी, बेस्ट लिरिसिस्ट, बेस्ट सिंगर, तो काफ़ी मज़ा आया। बेस्ट प्रोडक्शन डिज़ाइन, कुछ भूल भी रहा हूँ शायद मैं। और तो ऐसा लगा कि सारी मेहनत जैसे आज सफल हो गई, एक उसमें पूर्ण विराम आया, कहते हैं ना, एक सेंस ऑफ कंप्लीटनेस।
The Best Actor award was taken by none other than Farhan Akhtar for Bhaag Milkha Bhaag.
ये है ब्लैक लेडी, इट्स वंडरफुल टू विन इट, आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी। मगर अब पागल भी नहीं हो जाना चाहिए इंसान को, आई थिंक दैट्स आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
The Best Actress award was bagged by the one and only reigning queen of B-Town, Deepika Padukone.
दीपिका पादुकोण को देखकर ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि लीला जैसी कोई नहीं। दीपिका, लीला जैसी कोई भी नहीं।
Well, after this award, I think so. I didn't think that I would get it for Ramleela honestly because सब लोग कह रहे थे कि शायद चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस के लिए मिलेगा, and I didn't even think I would win because I think there were some other fantastic performances this year.
All in all, the 59th year of Filmfare Award ceremony was a rocking one once again. And some of the other stars who were also present there were Javed Akhtar, Shabana Azmi, Rajkumar Rao, Fardeen Khan, Kainath Arora, Neil Nitin Mukesh, Onair, Rema D'Souza, Neha Dhupia, veteran actor Rekha, Tanuja, actress Kajal, Tanisha, Kajal Agarwal and Ramesh Sippy were some of the celebrities who turned the event into a grand one. Moving on, Ranbir Kapoor was recently seen dodging Salman Khan at an award night. Take a look in our next story. Ranbir Kapoor was recently seen dodging Salman Khan. Ranbir could not face Salman. Well, Salman and Ranbir dodged each other at a recent award night. Well, the story goes, Ranbir was a host for a recently held awards night where he was interacting amongst the audience and asking questions. But clearly, Ranbir avoided the area where Salman was sitting, and that's not all. If sources are to be believed, he deliberately avoided Salman. But Salman too was present there only for a short while. On the other hand, recently this is what Sallu had to say about Ranbir Kapoor.
नया लड़का आया है, रणबीर, वो भी मार रहा है.
Now, whether the tiff between Ranbir and Salman is because of the box office or is it something personal is something we still don't know. But one thing is clear, that Katrina is not Salman's friend anymore, as he recently said that she is now someone else's friend. And you may have guessed who we're talking about, right? Bollywood is buzzing with news about Rani Mukherjee and Aditya Chopra's wedding plans. Well, the two are reportedly planning to get married on this Valentine's Day. Details in our next story. Rani Mukherjee and Aditya Chopra are finally going to tie the knot. Well, yes, this is the biggest news these days. According to recent reports, Adi and Rani are all set to give a new name to their relationship on 14 February 2014, which is also Valentine's Day. The couple will be getting married on this day. Well, this is a big surprise, but according to reports, the wedding venue too has already been decided. And the grand wedding will be held at none other than Umaid Palace in Jodhpur. But despite so much buzz about their wedding, Rani and Aditya still haven't confirmed the news. But reports also suggested that Rani apparently visited the palace to finalize the venue. Well, we all know that Rani Mukherjee and Aditya Chopra have been dating each other since many years, but they have never opened about their relationship. Now it looks like the couple is planning to announce their relationship on this Valentine's Day. Or is this news just rumors? Well, this is something we'll have to wait and watch. Time for a short break on Bollywood this week, but when we come back, Ileana, Nargis and Varun Dhawan's exclusive interview on Zoom. Stay tuned.